PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2019 hard PSLE math question? And the question goes, the figure is formed by 5 identical semicircles. What is the diameter of each semicircle? So if you don't know where to start, you can go to step 1, which is label what you don't know. So if we were to zoom it in, there is this empty space, which is, let's call it length A. Then we have this smaller space, and let's call it length B. Since there is the spacing the same, then we will have this as length B and length A. Once you know this, step 2 is that we want to create equations. So if you were to look at this is the diameter of the semicircle. So we will say diameter is equal to 22 plus A. So let's move on to the other one. We have diameter will be equal to A plus 12 plus B. Then if we were to move to the middle, we also have another diameter equation, which will be b plus 16 plus b. So if we were to simplify it, it will be 16 plus 2b. But the question is, which equation should you choose? Since all of them are equal to diameter, which one should you choose? So usually what I will say is, you can either go either or you can just go for A in this case over here. Why we do A is because later I will share with you, we can actually cancel the A. So then this will give us 22 equal to 12 plus B. Then we will have B equal to, in this case, 10. So now we know that B is equal to 10. That means we can actually solve this equation, which is 16 plus 2B, which is equal to 36 centimeters. So the thing is that you also want to make sure that whatever you calculate is correct. So step 4 is to double check. So we know that the diameter is 36 centimeters. Therefore, from the diameter equation, we can find out A. So in this case, A will then be equal to diameter minus 22. So since we know the diameter is 36, A will be equal to 14. Then with this, we can actually calculate diameter with A and B. Since we have A and B, then the diameter will be 36 centimeter. And that is when you know you got the correct answer when we double check. And that's how you solve this hard PSLE math question.